Let's make a card. We're going to start by stamping our cute little gnome. This comes from the Caffeinated Gnomies stamp set from Crafty Stamp Co. onto some Express It cardstock. And then we're going to be using Lime Ricky and Party Dress for our sentiment. This sentiment comes from the same stamp set that the gnome comes from. So I love this one. And now we're ready to do our coloring with my favorite OLO markers. I'm going to start by doing all my pink sections in RV 1.5 for my darker and RV 1.3 for my lighter. I could take this and add more blending and more colors, but I wanted to keep this one just super simple. So I'm going to go around and feather in on the edges with that RV 1.5, and then I'll go back in and blend it out with my RV 1.3. So we're going to do this for the hat, and then next up we're going to do it on the feet. And once we're done with our feet, then we're ready to move on to the heart. So we've got the heart in the middle of the dress, and then also our heart on the coffee cup. I love this little image. I think there is so much you can do with it. And I love bright colors, so this was one I couldn't wait to play with this color combination for this card. Next up will be our greens. So I'm going to be using YG 1.4 and YG 1.2. And I'm only going to be using the green on our coffee cups. That one went together really quick. And we're on to our blues. Now for this one, I'm going to mix it up a little bit. I'm going to be using my blue-green, my BG 0.4, along with my B 2.2. A lot of times we think we have to stay exactly within the same color family, and we don't have to. We can mix and match and blend however we want to. So I'm going to be doing all the trim on the hat in these two blues, and then also her cute little dress. Again, you can add in more colors and add more shading if you want. I wanted this to be a quick coloring job, so 2 colors and I was good to go. So we'll get this all blended out, and the next thing we're going to work on is her hair. We're using our Y's, so Y.1 and Y1.2. And again, we'll start with our darker and blend it out with our lighter, and then we'll be ready to move on to the next part of our coloring, which is going to be our coffee cup lid. I'll be using my Cool Grays for this. I've got Cool Gray 1 and 3. This will go together really quick, so it's just the lid and then the middle of our coffee cup. So start with our darker, blend out with our lighter, and then all that's left to do is the skin tones. So I'm using my O's. I'm using O 4.1 and 4.3. Again, starting with my darker, ending with my lighter, and I have a whole list of the supplies in the description of this video, so don't miss that. I'm going to use my favorite new scissors to cut this out. Just got these scissors. I am so in love. I'm not a big fan of fussy cutting, but when you have the right scissors and a little bit of patience, which sometimes I have and sometimes I don't, goes together really well. All right, so we'll get her all cut out, and then we are ready to put our card together. So we'll make a banner on the left-hand side of our sentiment, cutting in the middle and then cutting on angles. Now we're going to add a strip of pattern paper to the right-hand side of our white cardstock. Trim off the excess, white card base, fold it in half, use a bone folder, flip it around, add this layer on top. Then we're going to use some foam adhesive behind our cute little gnome. Our sentiment goes behind it, and we're done. Make sure to like and follow I Teach Stamping for more ideas.